Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super simple yet essential feature on your Android device. How to turn on Auto Rotate in 2025. If you've ever struggled with your screen staying stuck in one orientation, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Auto Rotate is that handy function that lets your phone's screen adjust automatically based on how you're holding it, perfect for watching videos, browsing, or playing games on the go. First things first, grab your Android phone and unlock it. We're assuming you're on a recent Android version, like Android 15 or later, but the steps are pretty similar across devices. Start by opening your Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the Display or Accessibility section. It might be labeled differently depending on your phone's manufacturer, like Samsung or Google Pixel, but it's usually under Display. Tap on that, and then hunt for the Auto Rotate Screen option. On some devices, it could be called Screen Rotation or something similar. Don't worry, it's there. When you find it, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply tap it to turn it on. That's it, your screen should now rotate automatically when you tilt your phone. But if it doesn't work right away, try rotating your device a few times or restarting your phone to refresh the settings. A quick tip. Some apps might override Auto Rotate, so check the app's settings if you're having issues. Also, make sure your device's sensors aren't blocked. Things like a thick phone case can interfere. This feature is a game changer for multitasking, especially if you're using your phone for reading or gaming. There you have it. Enabling Auto Rotate on your Android in 2025 is easier than ever. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.